Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to buy a USDT with a Paysafe card. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to provide some answers. Before we get started, I want to make it clear that I am not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. What is USDT? USDT is a stablecoin, which is a type of cryptocurrency that is pegged to the value of a fiat currency, such as the US dollar. This one means that one USDT is always worth $1. This makes USDT a great way to store your value and protect yourself from the volatility of other cryptocurrencies. What is a Paysafe card? Paysafe card is a prepaid card that can be used to make online purchases. It is a popular payment method for people who want to keep their financial information private. How to buy USDT with a Paysafe card? There are a few different ways to buy USDT with a Paysafe card. I will be covering two of the most popular methods. Method 1. Use a cryptocurrency exchange. This is the most common way to buy USDT with a Paysafe card. There are a number of cryptocurrency exchanges that accept Paysafe cards as a payment method. Here are the steps involved in using a cryptocurrency exchange to buy USDT with a Paysafe card. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange that accepts Paysafe cards. Create an account with the exchange. Verify your identity. Deposit your Paysafe card into your account. Buy USDT with your Paysafe card. Method 2. Use a peer-to-peer exchange. A peer-to-peer exchange is a platform that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other people. This is a more advanced method, but it can be a good option if you want to get a better price for your USDT. Here are the steps involved in using a peer-to-peer exchange to buy USDT with a Paysafe card. Choose a peer-to-peer exchange that accepts Paysafe cards. Create an account with the exchange. Verify your identity. Find a seller who is willing to accept a Paysafe card payment. Complete the transaction. Additional tips. Before you buy USDT with a Paysafe card, it is important to do your research and choose a reputable exchange or peer-to-peer platform. Be sure to read the terms and conditions of the exchange or platform before you make a purchase. Keep your Paysafe card information safe and secure. Be aware of the risks involved in buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Buying USDT with a Paysafe card is a relatively simple process. However, it is important to do your research and choose a reputable exchange or platform before you make a purchase. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. I will be back next week with another video. Until then, stay safe and have a great week. If you are interested in learning more about how to buy a USDT with a Paysafe card, please leave a comment below or visit my website. I would also love to hear from you if you have any other questions about cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching.